Hey guys, I'm just gonna go real quickly over the Outsiders playlist 3 with you. So I went to classwork and I found the Outsiders playlist 3. You'll see here the actual playlist itself, this video, and then you will also see anything you need to use to be able to complete the week's tasks. So on this playlist, our learning goals change a little bit this week. Your first learning goal is that you can formulate an argument based on a controversial question. So you were asked last week, should Johnny be held accountable? There's probably a huge divide as far as people who think that he should be tried or people that think that he shouldn't be. So it's kind of controversial. The second thing that we're focusing on this week is that I will support my argument using evidence from the source, the Outsiders. So not only can you formulate an argument, but also that you can support it and back it up from the text that you're reading. So Monday, what you guys are going to do, you're going to do I Ready. Make sure you get your 30 minutes in for the week, and hopefully within that time you get to pass a lesson as well. Tuesday and Thursday are direct instruction days. On Tuesday, what we're going to be doing for the week is actually writing another argumentative essay, but instead of using an informational text, we're going to use the Outsiders. And so I'm going to real quick on Tuesday give you a very brief introduction to what you guys are supposed to be doing, but then I'm going to give you work time on it. And then on Thursday, together, we're going to read chapter 7. And then so that's what we're going to do on Tuesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Friday are our independent work days. And so you will see that it's actually by steps because I want you guys to do these in order. So step 1 is to actually fill out this essay or to write another essay. And so basically what it says here is that you would be filling out an essay outline. Submit the full essay on Classroom where it says yada yada. You go to Classroom and then you see right here where it says argumentative essay. Should Johnny be tried? Let's see if I can pull it up. Should Johnny be tried? Essentially is what it says. Make sure that you write 5-paragraph essay arguing your case. You need to make sure that it fits the 5-paragraph format and MLA format. So basically what I did was included this document, and it gives you all the resources that will be able to help you write this argumentative essay. Like, for example, the links that you got the first time about sentence starters. This video actually tells you how to fill out this template. Now, when it's all said and done at the end of this week, I expect you guys to turn in a full essay, and you're going to do that in this document that's also attached here. So if you want to, not saying that you have to, but if you want to, you can fill out this template so you know you have each part of it, because I'm going to be looking that you have a hook, you have a bridge, you have a thesis, that you have every topic sentence, that you've cited text evidence for every body paragraph, so that it follows this format. But if you don't want to do that, if you just follow this as a template and you want to start typing in this, just make sure that you have each area. So if you're going to, the first thing is the MLA header that's with the template. Make sure you have a hook, make sure you have a bridge, make sure you have a thesis. So just make sure you're doing that. If you guys have any questions about that, let me know. So that's going to be the first thing, and primarily really what I want you guys to accomplish this week. The second thing is reading chapter 7. So we're going to actually read through chapter 7 together, and so we can at least move on a little bit in the text. So that's what we're going to do. If for whatever reason you do not get to this, or you finish this essay, you can go on and read chapter 7 by yourself if we're not there yet. May do's for this week, same thing as always, vocabulary.com, iReady, Newsella. The creative writing assignment is actually linked there as well. But what you're going to end up doing is you're going to think about a theme that we've learned about in the Outsiders, that the Outsiders some message that the Outsiders is trying to tell us, or S.E. Hinton is trying to write about and tell the readers about. You are going to then write a poem using that theme as the title. So whatever you think the Outsiders is about primarily with the theme, you're going to use that as the title. Basically, that's the only thing that you really need to do with the book. What I mean by that is I want you guys to be creative. So the only restrictions I'm putting on you is that it at least has to be two stanzas and it has to be school appropriate. But other than that, be creative. You do not have to write the poem using the book. You can add in your own perspective to the same theme. So, like, what are your thoughts on this theme? How would you convey this in a poem? So, you can do that. If you have any questions about this, then I would click on this link. It's a really short video, but it will help you go through how to write a poem and just the elements of poetry to make sure you have everything. When you're done with this, right, you're going to write the poem in the Google Doc on Classroom called Theme Poem, and that is just on Google Docs. If you guys have any questions about any of this, please let me know.